What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on the Curve token. If you are a Curve token fan, click subscribe down below because we're going to continue to cover this coin throughout 2022, especially if we get the bull run going. We'll cover it even more. It's a lot more fun making videos when the price action looks great. But Credible Crypto here on Twitter saying, at current prices, CRV, Curve, is the most asymmetric risk-reward coin in the space right now, in my opinion. A combination of the charts, fundamentals, and the ability to earn 50% APR while you wait for price appreciation is something that is incredibly hard to find in this space. We will dive into the Curve chart now. Curve is looking really strong. It has been for a while here. We had what looked to be almost a bearish cross here on the daily, but the 20 EMA, the green line, bounced right off the 55 EMA very nicely, rolled back up, and it's just like when that happens, it is very similar to a bullish cross. Like if you look back here, this is actually the bullish cross right here. So they act very similarly. They can. So it bounced off here, and we got some movement up. We formed this cup. We formed this handle. And we have been finding support on this handle for, we've been finding support above this trend line for 3 days now. If I zoom in here, let's get in here a little closer. So you break above the trend line, and then you have these 3 candle bodies in a row after that. So you are back testing. So you come up through the trend line, you back test it for support moving forward. CRV is in a technical target to $8.50 unless we lose this trend line. This trend line is currently sitting at roughly $5.84. The other thing that could ruin this is Bitcoin and the rest of the market, because right now, even Credible Crypto, he was saying he believes he said that he is on the sidelines right now. He doesn't know exactly what Bitcoin's going to do right now. Will Bitcoin roll down to 44,000 or 42,000? I don't know. But that could definitely ruin this whole thing. Now if Bitcoin holds its ground and the market looks good and it starts to warm up a little bit, I definitely see Curve going up to 850, finding some resistance, and then coming back, finding support, and then moving back on. That's how it works in these waveforms. But yes, a nice technical target to $8.50 out of this. That was rough. Out of this cup and handle, and we have found support on this trend line 3 days in a row now. What is going to happen next? We need to find support on $5.84 and not sit there and break way below it. If you were to lose support and break below it, you could easily roll to this target right here, which is the green line, the 20 EMA, which is roughly $5.34. And if you really roll, you'll probably roll, if the market rolls, especially Bitcoin, if Bitcoin starts to roll towards 44 or 42,000, you're definitely going to roll to this area, $4.66, which is the 55 EMA, the red line. And when you roll, you will come down looking to find it as support, sort of like you did through here. So you could roll, fall through the 20, and then here. We're just going to have to wait and see what Bitcoin does and the rest of the market. If the market, this is just a bunch of ifs, then wins. That's really all it is. I get that. But if Bitcoin holds its ground, 46,000, 49,000, 46,000, 49,000. That's what it's been doing for weeks and weeks and weeks. If it holds its ground, Curve will hold its ground here, and it will head towards its technical target at some point here. It could even go to its technical target in a waveform like this, but it will reach it sooner than later as long as the market stays relatively strong. So that's what I'm looking at for Curve. This video is not going to be too long. In the shorter term, like right now, you have this red candle. That red candle is making this blue line on the stock RSI sort of roll. So in the short term, this could roll down a little bit, and we could roll all the way to this line and bounce on this line at 584. I hope we don't lose it. If we do lose it, hopefully it's just a hair below on some wicks, and then we come back above it. We'll have to wait and see. If we take a look at the 4 hourly real quick. Let's see here. I am going to erase all drawings so we can actually see what is going on. So on the 4 hourly, still looks pretty healthy. The 20 EMA is actually flat, horizontal here. It's not that 20 EMA has rolled yet or anything like that, and this is the 4 hourly. You have some nice space here between them, and you've got some stairs here that you were starting to climb. And you're finding support on the 20 EMA right now. What will happen? Will you roll to the 55 on the 4 hourly? We'll have to wait and see. And there is that roll in the stock RSI, but in the next, so this is the 4 hourly. So in the next 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours, this could roll to the bottom of the blue band and start to come back up, and that's where we could keep our support. So we'll just have to wait and see, but that's the outlook on curve right now. I see curve going much higher later from the fundamentals, from FOMO, and from the total value locked. So overall curve is going to explode later. It's just a matter of time. We just got to remain way more patient. Patience, patience, patience. I think we need to stop worrying about January and February and worrying so much and just realize we're in an investment class that's volatile, that goes up and down, but in the long run, it definitely heads up and you can make extreme profits. So we just have to keep that in mind that we're in crypto and it is still extremely early. That is going to be it for this video on Curve. If you're a Curve fan, like and subscribe. Smash up the like button like you've never smashed it up before. Leave a comment below if you know anything about Curve that I didn't mention in this video or what you think might happen. And that's going to be it for this video, and we will catch you in the next one. See ya.